Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am super excited to walk you through setting up the Coinbase extension on your Google Chrome browser. It is quick, easy, and will have you ready to manage your crypto in no time. Alright, let us dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Select Extensions, then tap on Visit Chrome Web Store. Once you are there, type in Coinbase into the search bar. Click on the Coinbase extension, then hit Add to Chrome. Next, click Add Extension to confirm the installation. Great! Now that the extension is installed, let us pin it to your toolbar for easy access. Simply click on the Coinbase icon here and select Pin. Perfect. Now you are all set to create a new wallet. If you don't have a wallet yet, don't worry. I will guide you through that too. Click on the Coinbase icon, then select Create New Wallet. Make sure to copy the seed phrase or 12 words provided. This is crucial for recovering your wallet if needed. Once you have copied the seed phrase, click Continue. Select the first and last words of your seed phrase, then click Submit. Now set a secure password for your wallet. And there you have it. You have successfully set up your Coinbase extension on Google Chrome. And that is how to set up Coinbase extension. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.